Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the network. Check Wi-Fi or Ethernet status and make sure other devices load pages. Once done, close Chrome and reopen in incognito to bypass extensions. This isolates the problem quickly. Next, turn off VPN or proxy settings briefly. Make sure you know credentials before changing anything. If a firewall is enabled, temporarily disable it to test connectivity. These steps separate local browser issues from network or security blocks, so you know which path to take next. You now address DNS and routing. Flush the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushdns on Windows or restart the network service on Mac OS/Linux to remove stale records. Then set a public DNS, Google 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or Cloudflare 1, 1, 1, 1 to rule out ISP DNS failures. Next, restart your router and laptop to clear transient faults, and run ping and tracert to the site so you can see where packets stop. These diagnostics show whether the blockage is local, DNS. You finish with targeted repairs. Reset Chrome settings or reinstall the browser to remove corrupted profiles and persistent extensions. This restores default network behavior. Also inspect the host's file for blocked domains and delete any offending lines. This directly frees blocked site names. If problems persist, switch to a mobile hotspot or contact your ISP to check for external filters or outages. One key troubleshooting tip: keep an alternate browser or device ready. Comparing behavior quickly points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.